I'm Charlie Bond with Nippon Carbide Industries, showcasing the Nikkalite brand R8512 Egress sheeting. We're here at Main Street Sign and Graphics in Arlington, Texas. A great location for flea marking, and we'll give you a demonstration of the material and get some feedback. Thank you. Hey, we're here at Main Street Signs and Graphics and applying some Nikkalite R8512GI air egress media for this particular truck. How do you think about the application of this material, Juan?
So far the application has been good in both dry and wet apply. I think compared to the other materials that we've done before, I'd say this one is much more comparable.
Now, is that applied wet or dry?
This one is applied dry. And I think with the lettering, it is also good. But once I start pulling the transfer tape, if anything comes out loose, then it's going to be a lot of adjusting.
I'm assuming you prefer the air egress bubble free just for the reason of keeping a nice smooth application. Is that correct?
That is correct.
What's your opinion on the adhesion to the vehicle as you get ready to remove the transfer tape?
Well, it's pretty standard to make sure that it's all planted on there. But I think the more adhesion you can get, even with the air apply, is pretty good, especially with these letters.
Perfect. And we're done. How do you like that?
I like it. It's pretty smooth, no bubbles. It's pretty much on there good.
And there you go. Nikkalite R8512GI, applied by Main Street Signs and Graphics. Hi, this is Angel with Main Street Signs and Graphics. He's showcasing the Nikkalite brand R8512 and R8512GI air egress. Angel, what does your company do, and tell us a little bit about this application?
So our main market is fleet graphics, particularly in the emergency response market. So we do a ton of reflective jobs, mostly for cities and municipalities. These two examples that we see today are actually for the University of Texas, which is our neighbor to the south. We have an opportunity to work with a lot of films, particularly with Nikkalite now for years. The other big local municipality that we do, and we have been producing their graphics on Nikkalite for years, is actually the Arlington Police Department. And we've always wanted an air release material from Nikkalite. In the last couple of years, we've been able to introduce the GI line to what we do, simply for efficiency. The overall white point and the overall adhesion is very comparable to a lot of the things that we've been able to print on in the past. So it actually has helped us become more efficient and still give the customer exactly what they need.
So in your opinion, you're getting a bang for your buck potentially with Nikkalite products and getting the quality that Main Street pretty much needs to do this type of operation.
Absolutely. There are definitely budgets, especially with departments that are maybe not as large as some of the ones that we deal with, and we don't feel like we're at all cutting the performance of what we're offering by actually just giving them a better bang for the buck.
Well, Angel, we want to thank you for this opportunity. We think you do a great job over here at Main Street Signs and Graphics, and we appreciate you as a loyal customer. Thank you.
Thank you.